Good day! Thank you for calling Prime Tech Support. This is Lisel and how may I assist you today?
Hi. Last week I ordered a wireless keyboard and I think something went wrong. I'm not sure if the order went through because I didn't get any email. And then I checked my spam folder, but there was nothing there. Then I checked the bank statement and
I understand that it is concerning and I'd be glad to look into it for you just to help you quicker. May I have your full name and order number please so I can check the details right away?
okay. It's Lance Rubio. But I don't really have the order number right now. I think I saved it somewhere. Let me check my inbox real quick.
Checking, would you happen to remember the email address or phone number you used when placing the order? That way I can easily try to locate your details while we wait.
Sure, it's lancechristanrubio at gmail.com and 0917-123-9277.
Thank you for that. Please give me a moment to pull up your information. Alright, I see your order here. It was placed last Thursday and it looked like the confirmation email bounced back. But I can resend it to your email and also give you a tracking number right now. Would that be okay?
Yes, that would be great. Thanks.
I've just sent you a confirmation to your email. If you don't receive it within a few minutes, feel free to call us back or check on your spam folder again. So is there anything else I can help you with before we end this call?
No, that's all. Thank you for your help.
My pleasure. Thank you for calling Prime Tech Support. Have a wonderful day ahead.
Hello. So I ordered the headphone last week. Oh, and by the way, I love your brand. I remember the first time I bought from you was in 2019 when I was still working in Makati. It was a rainy day and I saw your store.
So thank you so much for your support. It really means a lot. Let me just confirm. Are you calling about the headphone order from last week?
Yes. It hasn't arrived yet and I was hoping to use it for my online meeting actually. I had a call yesterday and
Okay, totally understand, ma'am. Let's focus on your delivery so I can assist you quickly. Especially since I know your meetings are important. May I get your order number, please?
yes, it's 99831.
Alright, thanks. Let me check that now. So, great news. It's out for delivery and should arrive today. Also send a quick SMS update for your reference.
Perfect. Thank you. I'll watch it out for it.
Alright, you're welcome. If you need anything else, feel free to reach us again. Have a productive meeting later.
So for the group discussion and the question, what went well? I think the agent handled the calls really well. They stayed calm and polite even when the customer shared a lot. They listened first and then gave clear and quick solutions. So next question is what could be improved? Maybe in the second scene, the agent could have redirected the conversation a bit sooner just to save time, especially when there is a lot of calls waiting. So, next is how the strategies in real life. Um, we can apply this by being friendly but focused and interested, listening to customer but also guide the conversation. Um, as an agent, you must be the one who handles the call so you can easily handle or resolve the concern quickly.
Our role play shows how agent can handle high call volumes with empathy, professionalism, and efficiency. They listen actively, offered quick solution, and guided conversation politely. Improvement could include better time management and confirming resolutions. This technique help deliver smooth and effective customer service in real situations.
So to answer the question, what went well? So as we can see in our role play that both parties shows professionalism from the agent and empathy. Um, they had also good communication, uh, which is good for which is good in a customer service call. So what they could improve. I think they could improve more on communication, especially on the agent side, which is um, I think the agent shouldn't interrupt the customers when they are talking when their sentence isn't done yet. So how do we apply this in real life situations? I think we need active listening, empathy, and let the customer finish first before we talk and proceed to our call.